In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Wix subscription. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply want to switch to a different website provider, canceling your Wix subscription is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together to make sure you know exactly what to do. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Wix.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the login option in the top right corner. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Wix dashboard. This is the hub where you can manage all your Wix-related activities. Now click on Select and Edit Site. This option will take you to a page where all your websites are listed. Here, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it, and in the search bar, type in Cancel. This will help you navigate directly to the options related to subscription management. After entering Cancel, click on the link that says Premium Subscriptions. This will redirect you to the page where all your subscriptions are listed. On this page, look for an option called Subscription. Clicking this will bring you to a detailed view of your active subscriptions. Here comes the most crucial part. You need to select the specific subscription you intend to cancel. Be sure to choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple subscriptions under your account. Once you've pinpointed the right subscription, look for a button that says Cancel and click it. And just like that, you've initiated the cancellation process. Wix might prompt you to confirm your decision by asking for some feedback or presenting retention offers. You can either provide your feedback or simply proceed with the cancellation if you're sure about your decision. Before we wrap up, here's a helpful tip. Make sure you check your email inbox after canceling. Wix usually sends a confirmation email to ensure the subscription has been successfully canceled. If you don't receive one, it's a good idea to contact their support just to make sure everything has been processed correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to cancel a Wix subscription. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process as seamless as possible. Feel free to keep exploring our channel for more tutorials on managing your online presence and enhancing your digital skills. Thanks for watching and have a great day.